Hey guys! It's been ages since I had a day off from chasing deadlines. Finally got to chill, and man, life's kinda nice when you slow down. Adulting really had me forgetting I used to be young and wild once. So my childhood homie goes, bro, let's bring back the good OL days right in your backyard. So we decide to build a full-on, vintage-style fish tank for our hangout spot. This is the corner I picked for our fish tank. Step 1. Lay down old cement sacks cheap, effective, and saves me a mess. Alright, laying out the bricks for the form. Pouring in the cement, and tossing in a little rebar to make this base solid as a rock. Once it's dry, I gently remove the mold and place the tank base right into the spot I picked earlier. This right here is the foundation. And from this foundation, we're gonna build a masterpiece. Since we're not building straight on the ground, I'm using half bricks to keep it light and save on materials budget boss mode. Now, let's divide this fish tank up. One for a filter system, one for decoration display, and one for plants. Alright, time to plaster the entire inside surface. Filling that empty section with sand, then another layer of cement on top to create the base for the decorative area. Can you kind of see where we're going with this now? If not yet, stick around and see. Now, plastering the filter compartment nice and sealed. And now for the cool part, creating that old school brick wall look on all the outside surfaces. And rough build complete. It's looking like a real tank now? While that cement cures up again, I'm gonna whip up some decorative models. These broken tile pieces look like trash, but in my hands, I will change them into cute little vintage house model. Dabbing on a bit of wet cement, then carving in that miniature old brick look again. Whoa! These little art pieces are coming to life. Looking pretty sharp, right? Let's move on to the next step. More broken tiles, more magic mini stairs, and chamber lids. Now, coating little house with a nice navy blue. Then layering on some orange, white, and green to get that aged vintage wall effect. And now we gently place our little house right in the fish tank. Our vintage fish tank beauty is finally coming together. Feeling the nostalgia yet, fellas? If not, don't worry. We're gonna give it one more transformation to vintage feel. Coating the whole outside with our signature navy blue. Then dabbing on those iconic ancient wall tones orange, white, soft green. Time to install the pump engine. Exterior's done, now we dive into the interior. Filling it up with water and letting it soak for 5 days to flush out all the chemical nasties. After 5 days, drain it all out. Adding the magic filter media to the filter compartment. Then, spreading gravel across the bottom. Plant some greens and filling it up with fresh water. Ta-da! Our fish tank's pretty much done. Just one more epic moment left, releasing the fish. Gently releasing the little guys into their new home. And here's the final result. Now, every afternoon, me and my buddy have a cool spot to chill, sip some tea, and reminisce about the good old days. Sometimes, amidst the hustle and bustle, a little corner like this helps you slow down, you know? Watch fish, sip tea, feel poetic. Y'all should try the slow life sometime it hits different. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and most importantly, hit that subscribe button to get notifications for more awesome DIY ideas. Goodbye for now, and I'll see you in the next video.